How to link YouTube account to Discord on mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily link your YouTube account to Discord on mobile. So first just head over to your Discord application and make sure you're logged into account. Now simply select your profile from the bottom right corner just like this, and just head over to your settings gear icon at the top right corner, and once you're inside here just select this option called connections, and you can simply tap on this add button at the top, which will take you to this page where you can easily locate YouTube by scrolling down and simply tap on this. So once you tap on this, it will obviously ask for the account which is connected to your YouTube. So based on that, just choose your account which is actually connected to the Google or YouTube account. So I will simply select that particular account, and once you're inside here, just allow everything and click on continue. And just like that, your YouTube should be connected to Discord. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.